dogs tilt their heads, you're talking to your dog, maybe telling them what a good boy or girl they are, and suddenly, they do this, that classic head tilt. You melt instantly, right? But have you ever wondered, why do dogs do that? Part 1. Fine-tuning their hearing. First up, sound. Dogs have incredible hearing abilities. They can pick up frequencies that are way beyond what humans can detect. But there's a catch. Because of the shape and positioning of their ears, it's not always easy for them to figure out exactly where a sound is coming from. When your dog hears you talking, especially if you're using words they know like walk, treat, or park, they might tilt their head to adjust their ears and better locate the sound. It's kind of like when we cup our hand around our ear to hear someone better. For them, it's a built-in way to tune in more precisely to what you're saying. Part 2. The visual clarity theory. Okay, hearing isn't the only thing going on. Let's talk about vision for a second. Some researchers believe dogs tilt their heads to see better, especially when it comes to reading our facial expressions. Think about it. If you had a big snout sticking out in front of your eyes, it might block part of your view. By tilting their heads, dogs can shift their angle just enough to get a better look at our eyes, mouths, and gestures. And that's important, because dogs are masters at interpreting human body language. Part 3. Dogs and empathy, reading our emotions. But there's an even sweeter layer to all this. Dogs aren't just listening to our words, they're trying to understand us on an emotional level. Over thousands of years of evolution, dogs have become experts at tuning into human emotions. They know when we're happy, sad, excited, or worried. Some scientists suggest that the head tilt might be a sign of empathy, a way your dog shows they're truly paying attention. Not just to the sound, but to the feeling behind it. It's their adorable way of saying, I hear you, I see you, I'm here with you. Part 4. Learning through positive reinforcement. Now here's something really fascinating. Dogs are brilliant when it comes to learning what makes their humans happy. If every time your dog tilts their head, you laugh, smile, or give them a treat, guess what? They quickly learn that this little move gets them attention and maybe even rewards. Over time, tilting their head can become a learned behavior, one they bust out whenever they want to charm you a little extra. And hey, it works every single time. Part 5. Breeds and individual differences. Not all dogs tilt their heads the same way or at all. Some breeds with longer muzzles, like collies or greyhounds, might tilt their heads more often, possibly because their snouts block more of their view. Meanwhile, flat-faced breeds like pugs and bulldogs might tilt less because they don't have as much snout in the way.